Okay, welcome back. This is our update video for our Java text-based game. I made some changes. If you watched the first video, there was some mess ups. Okay, we messed up right here. The while loop. In the last video we had where when you input, all this would print out. There was no this, then that, and then break. I fixed that by doing this right here. This was outside of the loop when we made it. If you watch the other video, you'll see that. Instead of having it outside, you want it to have it inside. I forgot to do that. The reason why is because when you go into the loop, after it does this, it'll go through the loop, it'll stop and wait for you to input. That's what you wanted to do. And then after it goes through the loop once, if you put in exit break, I'll get into that. If you put left, it'll print out that, and then it'll go through here, and then we'll stop again. I'll show you. Okay, it was a little slow. Okay, like left, you are dead. Right, you're alive. And then nothing. Please re-enter, and then exit, and it terminated. You can see right there it terminated. There's no red box to click. Okay, so that fixed the loop. Let me see if I changed anything else. No. Okay, but I might have changed these. I haven't looked back at the video, but first, this can be if, because it is just breaking, so it has nothing to do really with this loop part that it will continue. This if has it has to be an if, because this is like your first if. Besides this doesn't count, like I said, but this is your first if, and then anything you put after has to be an else if you're gonna make it like where it says right, or let's say we put up, it has to be else if C equals up. And then your last one, you want it to be else, just in case they put in something that's not in there, it doesn't mess up the program or do anything weird. So we got everything in order. Like I said, this will not count into like the loop, so it can be if. I don't think it can be else if. It has to be if. This is true, like always. Okay, next video we're gonna take out this, and hopefully I think we're gonna restart and get a storyline, a decent one, and I'll show you how to get into more of this, like into detail, what happens after this, how to get more input. It's gonna be a lot of variables. The more in depth you go into each one. So thank you for watching, and next video will be out soon.